Scrap hounds. It's beautiful out. Sunny. About 0 degrees Celsius. Amazing. There's a hockey game on tonight. Let's go Oilers. And I'm going to be having some steak supper. I need 2 things to accomplish that task first. One being a snow brush, clean off the barbecue, and a propane tank to attach to the barbecue. Hey, kitty. There, that hooked up. Tight like tiger. Stew time. Haven't used the barbecue in a while. Good enough there. This barbecue's been pretty sweet. I got it for free last summer. The guy was getting rid of it. Brinkman. Everything works. They're just, it's a little rough. The part that always worries me though, how clean is it inside? Yeah. Well, we'll have to heat her up. Get those grills nice and hot so we can give her a scrub down before we cook on her. We're catching a bit, scrap hounds. I think we're gonna need one more thing quick. Probably a shovel to just kind of clean up, you know. My mini shovel. Beauty. Here's my barbecue brush. Don't use old metal barbecue brushes. Find your synthetic strands. The old metal ones, very dangerous. Let's get that barbecue fired up. So we can get the grills hot, give them a scrub clean, and get them steaks on the barbecue. She's all fired up. Just gonna let her get nice and hot so I can scrub them down. Get them steaks on. While the barbecue heats up, I'm gonna pour myself some iced tea. Let's go Oilers. Scrap hounds. A little bit of hot water first. Give her a swirl around. Top her up with some cold. She's heating up real nice. Cheers, scrap hounds. squirrel. Should be good. Oh yeah. Quick wipe off. Big thing, just make sure that you don't have any hairs from your barbecue brushes. Those ones are synthetic, they're not metal. Metal ones have caused some great horror stories from barbecuing. Anyway. The scrap hounds are getting in trouble. Let's whip up a quick barbecue sauce here. Yeah, that looks a nice color. Not all the molasses there mixed in. Some of it stayed stuck to the spoon, but it's okay. It is a little tangy, but here's a trick. A little bit of peanut butter. Mix that in. Barbecue sauce over here. Put this stuff away. That is empty. Oh, the scrap hounds are getting heck again. Always getting shit. T-bones open. These are fresh from our... I'm trying to film here, guys. Fresh from our family farm. Don't mind the scrap hounds. Leave that blood in there. Oh, more inside. Yeah, nice, tasty, locally grown Alberta beef. Fresh from the farm this year. Well, would have been last year actually. We'll get these organized on the tray, cover some barbecue sauce on them, and we'll get them on the barbecue. Let's check out the oven, shall we? Oh yeah. Potatoes and carrots. Set the stamps there. Nice and warm. already smell good. I'm going to use it all. I'm going to have enough to put on the flip side again. So let them taste the babies barbecue for a bit. Let's check them out. See if they're ready to flip. Ooh, that blood's coming up on top, looking tasty. Oh yeah, I think those are ready to flip. That one that way. Oh yeah. I had the barbecue just a little too high. That one that way before the limes get seared in. Beauty. Smells delicious. Scrap snacks. Life's good. Turn everything down just a bit. Keep them on that medium to medium rare. Another quick little thing that I'll do, if you got a little bit of barbecue sauce left over, when you bring your steaks out or whatever you're barbecuing, just take and paint some around on your foil. You know, not really a big deal, but at least when they go down, they're going down on a bit of the last bit of fresh barbecue sauce. Yeah. Oh, I'll just have to button the tinfoil down. But yeah. Oh yes. Get them inside quick before they cool too much. Come out and give that a clean after. Grab a drink. Hold on, everyone. This is gonna be good. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, smash the like button, drop a comment down below. hit the subscribe button as well. Jingle that bell for more notifications, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, Scrap Hounds. Thanks for watching my cooking video. Well, Scrap Hounds, yes, my hat is off. I am bald. Supper is ready. Just in time for the hockey game. I'm gonna sit down and enjoy, 'cause it smells delicious.